Now we are on part 37 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. Consistency holds great significance in local SEO due to its connection with mapping, specifically Google Maps. Google requires consistency to ensure accurate address information and reliable mapping services. This is crucial for two main reasons. Firstly, maintaining consistency allows Google to provide precise addresses and effective mapping solutions. Secondly, consistency is vital because potential customers may intend to physically visit, contact, or determine proximity to a particular location. Therefore, ensuring consistency is a fundamental aspect of successful local SEO. To initiate local SEO on Google, the first step is to search for Google My Business. This platform serves as the foundation for establishing your local business presence. Once you locate Google My Business, you should proceed to set up your account. It is essential to ensure that all the information you provide within your Google My Business account is credible and accurate. The importance of having a consistent and accurate phone number and address cannot be emphasized enough. With Google My Business, you have numerous options and features at your disposal. One of these features is the ability to manage reviews. If your business has a physical location, you can take control of the reviews that customers leave for your business. It is crucial to actively respond to negative reviews to address any concerns or issues raised by customers. By engaging with negative reviews, you demonstrate your commitment to customer satisfaction and can potentially resolve any problems that arise. When receiving a positive review, it is important to express appreciation and respond. Google My Business provides tools to manage reviews, upload photos, and optimize tags and images for local SEO visibility. It allows control over business information, post creation, and promotions. By leveraging Google My Business, you can effectively provide valuable details to potential customers searching for your offerings. Additionally, Google My Business offers a website creation feature beneficial for businesses without an existing website. This enhances online presence and visibility, connecting with and attracting potential customers. For example, when someone searches for lice removal services in Orlando, they can easily find and contact local businesses using Google My Business. Reviews assist in evaluating a business's reputation and making informed decisions. Establishing a consistent online presence across platforms like Google, Bing, and local directories is crucial. This comprehensive local SEO approach maximizes exposure and attracts potential customers actively seeking relevant products or services. Now, let's delve into the process of evaluating your SEO performance. It's important to recognize that the diligent efforts put into on-page SEO and off-page SEO will eventually yield positive outcomes. Consequently, it becomes crucial to monitor and assess these outcomes in real time while actively engaging in both on-page and off-page optimizations. Therefore, understanding what and where to measure becomes essential. In terms of SEO, three fundamental metrics take center stage: ranking, traffic, and conversion. These metrics serve as core indicators for evaluating the effectiveness and success of your SEO endeavors. When considering ranking, traffic, and conversion, we can divide these metrics into the following categories to gain insights: the type of traffic derived from organic search results and the type of traffic generated from mobile devices. It is crucial to emphasize the significance of mobile devices since, as discussed in relation to on-page SEO and local SEO, a significant number of searches originate from mobile devices. By understanding these distinctions, we can better evaluate the impact of SEO efforts on website rankings, traffic sources, and conversions. It is essential to examine keyword ranking, as keyword research constitutes the initial phase of the SEO process, even preceding any on-page or off-page work. Additionally, assessing local visibility is crucial, particularly when focusing on local SEO outcomes. Furthermore, evaluating engagement metrics becomes significant, as it allows us to measure and understand how visitors who arrive through organic search are interacting and behaving on our website. By monitoring these metrics, we can gain insights into the performance and effectiveness of our SEO strategies. Tracking off-page SEO progress, particularly the acquisition of backlinks, is crucial. Metrics like keyword rankings, local visibility, engagement metrics, and backlinks can be measured using SEO analysis tools. Now let's discuss accessing and evaluating these metrics, as well as the importance of monitoring this data for overall performance and SEO strategy effectiveness. Start by focusing on monthly organic traffic analysis. Consider different perspectives such as geographic breakdown and distinguishing between new and returning visitors. Conversion rate is a critical metric to evaluate. Now begin with Google Analytics, a free tool designed for website performance measurement. It provides valuable insights into organic traffic and effectiveness of SEO efforts. In Google Analytics, navigate to the acquisition section, specifically all traffic channels, to explore data for specific website within chosen time frame like the past 7 days. This provides a comprehensive understanding of traffic from organic search and insights into the number of new users acquired from organic search within the time frame. In Google Analytics, we can assess engagement metrics like bounce rate to determine the level of user interaction with our website after clicking on organic search results. Monitoring these metrics is crucial for understanding user behavior and evaluating website engagement. Google Analytics provides an easy and centralized way to measure and analyze these important metrics. To gain further insights, we can analyze organic traffic by country by selecting the country as a secondary dimension in Google Analytics. This helps identify the countries driving organic search traffic. Google Analytics serves as a valuable centralized source of organic traffic information. Now, mobile traffic is particularly important, considering that the majority of searches now originate from mobile devices. Google has already reported that approximately 55% of searches come from mobile devices. By accessing the mobile report in the audience section of Google Analytics and selecting Mobile Overview, we can examine the distribution of traffic across desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Over time, mobile devices are expected to drive a significant portion of organic search traffic. Comparing device information with channel data provides a comprehensive understanding of how different devices contribute to overall traffic. By analyzing default channel groupings alongside device categories in Google Analytics, specifically by selecting channel as a secondary dimension, we can observe organic search traffic from mobile devices within the past 7 days. Monitoring this data is vital as it reflects the increasing trend of mobile search initiation. Notably, mobile ranking depends on website responsiveness to mobile devices, which affects user experience. Engagement metrics may vary across different devices, such as bounce rate, pages per session, and average session duration. This enables a comprehensive comparison of these metrics across devices and channels, revealing device and channel-specific differences in user engagement. This analysis helps us understand the impact of device and channel factors on user engagement. If user behavior and engagement on mobile devices fall below the desired standard, necessary actions should be taken to address this issue. Given the prevalence of mobile search initiation, optimizing the website for mobile traffic, especially from organic search, becomes crucial for providing a tailored experience. Analyzing and understanding specific behavior and engagement patterns on mobile devices allows for appropriate measures to enhance the user experience and improve overall performance. Hence, it is crucial to acknowledge that the mobile experience differs significantly. Therefore, it is vital to monitor user behavior and, importantly, track page speed. As mentioned in our past videos on on-page SEO, optimizing page speed is crucial. To monitor page speed in Google Analytics, navigate to the Behavior section, then select Site Speed, and finally go to the Overview. Here, you can assess the average page load time for your website. Additionally, by examining specific page timings and using the device category filter, you can observe how each page performs in terms of loading speed on different devices. This information enables you to identify pages that load quickly and those that have slower load times, allowing you to address and improve engagement metrics accordingly. It is essential to regularly monitor page speed and consider it alongside user behavior to ensure an optimal mobile user experience. Other tools such as agency analytics are available for measuring SEO performance. However, I personally prefer using Google Analytics, primarily because it is free and seamlessly integrates with other Google platforms like Google Search Console. Monitoring rankings is crucial, especially for the keywords selected during the initial keyword research phase. These keywords should ideally have high relevancy, high search volume, and low competition. By tracking the performance of these chosen keywords, one can gauge the effectiveness of the SEO strategy and make any necessary adjustments. And that ends a part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 38.